The weather has been crazy here in California. I mean, you know there's something wrong with the ecosystem if it is raining in California. But due to all this lovely rain we're having, I've been making soup. Lots of soup. So for the next couple days, all you're going to see from me is soup. As you all know, I declared kefta as king of any dish really, because it is so diverse. So I decided to make kefta ball soup. I like to saute the parsley mix in the actual sauce with some onions and then add the tomato paste. This adds an extreme depth of flavor to the soup, and the tomato paste helps thicken it. As you know, we like things thick and saucy around here. I also added half a cup of rice, but you don't have to do that if you're going carb-free. You can make rice on the side and let everybody choose how much rice to add in their own dish. Either way, this is filling, healthy, protein-packed, and perfect for this crazy weather.